guys how I prepare my hair for wash day. For me, this method just works. Twisting my hair before I wash my hair, making sure that it's detangled before I wash it. That's just the easiest way for me to wash all this hair and not be overwhelmed or not feel like I need to chop it off. Because that's eventually why I relaxed my hair in the past, because wash days were the worst. Okay, but now with my twisty wash method, wash days are not bad at all. Wash days are just fine. So I usually just go in, brush all my hair from the root. When I was shedding, because you know your hair normally sheds, so when I'm wearing my little protective style, sometimes it shed through there, so I always brush it. And sometimes if you can't reach the middle during your protective style, the middle will kind of get a little dry, so it's always important to detangle your hair before you wash it. Just makes life easier rather than detangling it while it's have shampoo, or you know, for me this method just works better. So I'm all done, and y'all already know that I normally wash my hair outside. I'm going to be leaving a link down in the description below of my wash day routine using my Moringa infused rice water. So definitely go and check this out, but this is how I prep my hair for my wash day, and I'm heading out to go and shampoo it. Bye. Okay guys, so I just got done from washing my hair. I look rather crazy and my eyes was looking like a raccoon because all my all my eyeliner came out, but this is fresh out from rinsing the rice water with some rinsing out the rice water and then applying my conditioner. This is what my hair looks like. It feels very soft and nice. It feels very silky smooth. Oh, wow. This rice water is awesome. So what I normally do after I wash my hair is I go ahead and I take these same 3 big twists and I braid them. That way my hair will be stretched. Not too tight, but just braid it all the way down. And then after I have braided all of them all the way down, I go ahead and I let my hair air dry, and I go ahead and I style it however I want to. So all my blowout looks that you saw, this is exactly what I do. I just braid it out, and then when it's completely dry, I loose it out. And say for instance, I have a style and then I want to re-stretch my hair, I do the same thing, and sometimes I will tie it with my scarf. I did do a video on how I did that. I'll try to link it in the description down below, but this is pretty much it for how I prep my natural hair for wash day and what I do after I wash my hair. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you did. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I will see you guys in the next video, because after this one, I am about to do this really cute style of my hair, and I know y'all will absolutely love it. So I'll see you guys soon. Bye.